Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Weight Watchers, quick access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Weight Watchers in the search bar. Click on the official Weight Watchers website link. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Click the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Input your password in the second field. If you wish to remain logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click the Login button. Wait a moment for the page to load. Once logged in, you will have access to your Weight Watchers account. From here, you can track your progress or explore resources. If you encounter any issues, look for the Forgot Password link. Click it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once reset, return to the login page and repeat the steps to log in. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.